Ladies and gentlemen, I want to speak on a topic that impacts every one of us: anger. It's a feeling we've all experienced. But have you ever wondered why it exists? Is it a curse or a hidden strength? Anger is often misunderstood. It's not just a reaction, it's a messenger. Anger is the part of you that knows your mistreatment and abuse are unacceptable. It's your inner protector, reminding you that you deserve kindness and respect. Your anger isn't your enemy, it's your ally. It's the part of you that loves and values you enough to say, "This is not okay." Anger is important, but it's what we do with it that matters. But what happens when anger is ignored, suppressed, or left unexpressed? It begins to morph into something more dangerous: rage. Suppressed anger can become misplaced. It festers and speaks louder, often in ways that don't serve us. Instead of protecting us, it starts to hurt us and those we care about. This is why it's so important to express, vocalize, and act on your anger constructively. Like any emotion, it needs an outlet. Here's something to think about. Anger isn't good, and it isn't bad. It's just anger. It's a neutral force, like fire. Fire can warm a home or burn it down. What matters is how we use it. Anger can be used to build or destroy. It can motivate us to make changes, to stand up for justice, or to set boundaries. But it can also lead to harm if left unchecked or unleashed in destructive ways. Anger always gives us a choice. We can let it control us, or we can take control of it. When you feel anger rising, pause. Ask yourself, what is this anger trying to tell me? Remember, anger speaks a single message. It's important, but it's not the entirety of who you are. Use it as a tool, not a weapon. Anger is part of being human. It's not something to fear or suppress, but something to understand and channel. The next time you feel it, remember, you have the power to choose what to do with it. Anger isn't who you are. It's just a guide. Choose wisely.